And I believe it's recording now. Yeah, it's recording right now.
All right, that's Daniel feeding his friends. And watch they all start attacking him. Let's keep watching, because they fly in this window. I'm throwing this camera, and then I'm driving off. So let them come close to me. He's happy. He's happy feeding his friends. Yeah, getting too close for comfort. In 1 minute. Ah! He think I'm playing. That's because he's silly. You know what? I'm rolling the window. You're gonna get a dollar picture now. Now you can throw all you want. Okay? He's in his glory. Yeah, not me. Hey, Darlene. Remember we were in Atlantic City, and you had your French fries and you gave one away. Then 100 of them flew towards you.
Give a chunk of bread. See how they fight over one big chunk of bread.
And you wound up throwing all your food that you just bought at them and running. Well, I said, Darlene, don't feed them. Well, see, Daniel want to. Look at him. Look at him. Did you see? He threw the whole loaf of bread. And that's my husband. The whole loaf of bread. He tried to make them like bowling pins. He should have broken them up. We're in Walmart parking lot in North Versailles, and there are tons of birds. Look at him. See? Hey, don't be calling my husband weird, you guys. I don't care if this is a weird act. Don't call him weird. I'm still married to him. God said to death do us part. Anybody? Here he is. I can't say nothing.
They're still hungry.
They haven't eaten that one yet, baby.
Yeah, but they're eating it fast.
Yeah, but
There's a group here that says we're not part of that group. Somebody
okay.
preferred extra moment.
All right, there's my husband. He's giving them old bread. Well, maybe they're sick. Maybe they need some penicillin. We'll see if they eat them or they say take it back.
Well, if any of them are sick, they're going to get well because that bread's covered with mold. I think it's turned to penicillin.
Okay, I can't get him. I just wanted you to know that it really is Daniel. You got another one with mold. Pastor said, don't give away something you wouldn't want. I'm not eating that. Okay, I'm gonna try with the window down again. If they come near me, I'm rolling it. Is that a nicer picture? Oh, okay, close. This is like the day at, okay, now that's nicer. That'll help them. Those are cars who are trying to get by and they're afraid of hitting them. I think if they keep driving, though, they'll move out the way. Oh, isn't that nice of him? He's backing up so he won't run over. Might not be very smart of him, but it sure is nice.
There's a lot of bird brains up at Walmart.
Oh, nice, Daniel, because you're one of them. He was just being nice. He didn't want to take a chance of running over them. Although it would be very hard to hit them. But just, are they okay? Let it come close if it want to. And this window will go up. Look at him. Oh, he's in his glory. Let's get a close up now.